Hey guys, how you doing? Gonçalo André here and welcome to another snow addiction video. If it's your first time skiing or if you're kind of new to the ski and snowboard world, last season we teamed up with SKIZ in Andorra to tell you everything you need to know about your ski and snowboard gear. So come with us, don't miss this. Right now we're down here where you can rent your skis and your all gear, and we're with Millie. Hey Millie, hi. Say hi. Okay, Millie's going to walk you through all the process when you get to the store to get your gear, and it's the first time you're skiing or you have some experience, but the process is basically the same. Okay, so you just get to the store and you get someone like Millie who's an expert and is going to help you to pick your gear. So Millie, what should be the main concern when you get to the store, when you first start skiing? Tell me, walk us through the process.
Okay, so when people arrive, we ask them their ski level, so then we can give you equipment according to that one. For starters, we have like easier skis, they are not too hard, easy to manage. So after we know that, we ask people to take out a shoe and we measure the feet with this stuff. And here we can see in Mondo Point, that is for boots, the size that the person wears. Once we know it, we look for the boot, and with the boot, for example this one, we open it, and you have to open all the stuff and do like this. They will help you anyway, but give me a second. Like this, so that it's easier to fit the foot here. Then you have to close the boot and you can feel that the fingers touch in the front, but if there's no much pressure, then when you bend your knee like you are skiing, the foot goes back and you don't feel them anymore. So that size is the correct one, because if not, the boot is too big and then when you ski, the foot moves inside it. So once you have the correct boot, we look for the ski. And the ski, for example.
And we also have different boots, different kind of boots.
Yeah, different kinds of boots for wider boots, something more narrow, different flex, that is like the hardness of the boot. So if you have a better level, you wear a harder boot, but if you are a beginner, it's easier with our boots.
Perfect.
So once you have that, we have to regulate the ski. The length of the ski depends on your level also. And then with the centimeters of the boot, we move this. And also with the weight of the person, we can see the dim that we have to put. So the thing is that if you fall or the ski or happens something, the ski goes out so that you don't hurt yourself. So we arrange that thing and the ski is ready. We also give the people poles that they have to be like, when you grab them from here, like 90 degrees angle. Well, that's everything.
That's basically it.
Yeah, that's basically
it. Perfect, Millie. Perfect. So these are kind of Knoll mountain skis. So you have also twin tip skis
Yeah.
in different shapes.
Yeah, we have twin tip, like more for freestyle, something wider skis for all mountain, like for and something more for the piece that are like more carving skis.
Yeah,
So we
of
have
course.
different types depending on what you are looking for.
Okay, so guys, one of the things that you might find a bit weird is that if you can watch, let me just
Yeah.
change the camera. Okay, if you can watch the ski, it's not fully parallel. It means that the ski has this shape. Okay, so this is for what? For carving. Because when you're like this, the ski is at an angle on the snow. Right now we cannot see it fully, but if the ski is like this and you press the ski down, it's going to bend, and this allows for the ski to carve through the snow a little bit better. Okay, so this is the reason why the skis are, shaped like this, a bit wider at the tail and a bit wider at the front, okay, at the nose. So at the middle, this is a bit narrow, okay? So this is why the skis are like this. So they bend when you push, okay? So Millie, thank you very much for having us here. Guys, don't forget, follow SKIZ on Instagram. Check them on www.skiz1700.com. I'll leave everything in the description. Thank you so much, Millie. Again, thank you. Guys, if you ever come to Andorra, to El Tarter, please don't forget to visit SKIZ and you will have the best time. Okay guys, take care, see you next time.